Today, we're going to discuss how to export ASP.NET Web Forms to PDF. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export an existing ASP.NET Web Forms page as a PDF using IronPDF. This, of course, is ideal for legacy business applications that already display invoices, reports, or statements in the browser. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at the invoice web form code. The invoice is built using standard ASP.NET Web Forms markup, while the styling is handled through separate CSS file to create a professional layout with company branding, tables, and payment details. Many organizations already have these mature web forms applications running their accounting systems or customer portals. So rather than recreating these layouts as separate PDF templates, IronPDF helps convert the existing page directly into a PDF. So now let's switch over to its CS file and see how easily IronPDF can convert this invoice page to PDF. So first, I've already installed IronPDF and configured my IronPDF license key in the page load method of this invoice. This allows us to use the features without any errors. Next, create a Chrome PDF render options object. Here you want to configure the rendering behavior by specifying the print CSS media type so that any print-specific styles are applied during PDF generation. Also, you can configure a footer that automatically displays the current date, time, and page numbers on every page. Finally, we generate a PDF with a single call to ASPX to PDF.render this page as PDF method. Here, the important part is file behavior. We use file behavior.attachment, which tells the browser to download the PDF file instead of opening a web page. So the user gets invoice.pdf as a downloadable document. If we change it to file behavior.inBrowser, the same output will open directly inside the browser instead of downloading. So let's run the application now. And as soon as the page loads, IronPDF renders the current web forms page and automatically downloads the generated PDF. All right, so opening the PDF, you can see that the company branding, invoice, information, tables, typography, and layout are all preserved. The document also includes the configured footer with the current date, time, and page numbers. So this approach is especially useful for existing ASP.NET web form applications because it adds professional PDF export without needing to migrate to newer frameworks or maintain duplicate document templates. All right, and that's it. You've now learned how to convert an existing ASP.NET Web Forms page into a professional PDF using IronPDF with just a single rendering call. All right, we hope you found this tutorial super helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you want some more useful tutorials from us. And if you want to get started with IronPDF, please go ahead and sign up for a trial on our site, and then continue to download and install the package and experience the full power of our software firsthand. Click the link below, check it out.